Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have opening from Barclays and also Wipro to discuss in this video. So, let's see in detail like what will be the eligibility criteria, who can apply, and everything in detailed format. So, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So, while you activate the bell icon, put it as all. Okay, the option all because then only you will get notified when we upload any kind of video. Okay, so like these kind of hiring videos especially, it is very important that you get it notified at the right time because the link to apply will be only applicable for a certain period of time. So within that time you need to apply and you need to get through. Okay, so that's it, and we are there for all your placement needs. You can just go through the video section and see we provide immense steps related to online assessment, interview, then how you have to perform, and how you can improve yourself, programming, coding, everything. So please have a look at our session and this will be very helpful for you. And if you have any further needs, please let us know in the comment section. We'll look forward for that. Okay, so let me start without further delay. That is starting with the Barclays. So 2022 CEO Technology Graduate Analyst. So Pune, Maharashtra are the two locations available. So you can just scroll down and see it's a graduate full-time job and it's a campus technology. Okay, so you can see these are the benefits that you will be having it in here: paid holiday and vacation, competitive pay, then private medical care, disability insurance, flexible working, life insurance, voluntary benefits, retirement planning. So everything is provided. Now here every will be mentioned. Okay, so this is the job description. They have mentioned like key accountable and skills required. So this is the eligibility criteria: strong application and development skills, including multi-thread programming and SQL experience, ability to effectively communicate with end users and other developers in a global team-based environment, then strong interpersonal skills with the ability to communicate thoughts, designs, and implementations in both written and verbal form. Results oriented, self-starter with positive can-do attitude. Okay, so this is it. Basic programming, developing skills with threaded programming, etc. Then SQL experience. Okay, then your interpersonal skill is much more taken care of here. Then decision making and problem solving skill is also one of the criteria. Then person specification, that is a qualification or the like a sort of eligibility criteria. Okay, the candidates is expected to be passionate about coding and understanding the object oriented programming. And next is bachelor's degree or above in computer science or related discipline. So UG, PG, like related to computer science field is completely fine here. Then strong analytical skills, methodological approach with good attention to detail, strong verbal and written communication skill, exemplary team player with good attitude. Okay, so this is it. Like in this, they haven't mentioned like a huge list of technologies to be known, or in the eligibility criteria a list of technologies. They want you to have very basic foundation of computer science and the interpersonal skill as well. And if you're ready with that, if you're a UG or PG student related to computer science field, then you can try applying to this. And the batch criteria will be 2022 and 23 students can apply it here. Okay, and to apply for that, you can click on this apply for job and continue with the application process. Okay, so first you need to accept the terms and conditions. You can go forward with that. Then you need to log in. So if you're very new user, you have a option to create an account. So we'll create an account and see what includes the selection. I mean, what includes the application process. So this is the process. So here first step is eligibility, then questions, upload your CV, then personal information to come. Then they'll have education, diversity, source notification, review and submit. So pretty good steps are there. Then you can see here eligibility. There are a set of questions where you need to answer. So are you currently or have you ever been an employee at Barclays Bank PLC, excluding work experience or internship? Okay, so accordingly you can provide them. And do you have a criminal conviction or criminal case against you in the court? Then you can provide that. Do you have a legal right to work in this country? You are applying that you can. And do you know of any relatives who are working for the area of Barclays you're applying for? Have you been employed within last 24 months by our stationary auditors? Have you ever been disciplined or cautioned by a regulatory body? Have you ever been dismissed by a previous employer? If your application is successful, Barclays undertake. Okay, so what I was mentioning is every questions that they are making sure you're like you are a complete fit for the company. Okay, and please indicate your graduation completion year. I'm applying for 2021 discovery program, and I graduated in 23, 22. Okay, so this is what I mentioned. 22 and 23 are the eligible, so you can either like opt it as summer internship or yeah, like a graduate, whatever. Okay, so you can just provide it. And if you belong to other batch, anybody who wish to give it a try, then you need to provide none of the above. But most probably, since they have mentioned these many options, then these will be taken into consideration first. Okay, and your application must be that rich enough if they want to consider you. Okay, so this is about the application. Now let's see like what will be the other process. So before that, I would like to share an exciting news from our part that we are about to start a Code Vita and thesis NQT 21 days live crash course session. It's a live session wherein you get your get their SAMI, that is Ubasana ma'am. She is a software developer engineer at Flipkart. So she'll be there to guide you throughout. So it's a live class. You will get to clear all your doubts at the right time, and all the materials and all the recordings of the class will be available for you for the 6 long months, like from the day of your subscription. And you can see the price is just 200. For this 200, you are getting immense support for the coding things, and Code Vita, MQT, Ninja, whichever we try to like crack it digital, wherever you are going for, this class will definitely help. So if you are a beginner, if you have a bad experience, and if you're a moderate kind of person in programming, this is going to help you. And the syllabus and the content is well revised for this particular year. And there are so much like into our previous live sessions and previous courses which our students have taken, they have confirmed that they could do well in their exams, and most of them have went through as well. So you can see here, you can attend the class both on phone as well as laptop. Validity of course is 6 months, and the timing will be 7 to 8 p.m. in the evening, so your classes don't clash with each other. And you can access this class through your PC, laptop, your phone, like whichever smart like gadgets that you're using. So the start date is from 18th of this November till 8th of this December will be there. And you can make your registration through an application, as well as you can try this. You can open web.classplusapp.com, and you can just copy this, okay, and paste it and type KFQRN in the ORG code, then click and verify your mobile number with the OTP, and after that go to the store and choose your course. Okay, so this is how you need to do. So you can just go to the link that I've mentioned in the description for the same, and you can explore it yourself and get to understand what is this all about. Okay, so that's it. Now let's get back to the application process. So these are the questions that you need to you need to go on doing. So I haven't given everything. Okay, so this is it. And questions, something related to the job, obviously you will have. So upload your CV and resume according to the eligibility criteria mentioned, and complete all these steps at a stretch. I would recommend you not to break in between. Just give every information correctly, take some time and apply it. Okay, so they haven't mentioned any like date which they'll be withdrawing the link, but you can expect that soon. Okay, so make sure you apply it at a stretch, I mean soon after you watch this video. And now coming to the CTC provided, average is 10 LPAs and starting is 7 plus LPA. So according to your caliber, they can extend you the CTC and internship, and whatever 2022 students may be going internship, you can also showcase that as well. Okay, so So this is a very good opportunity. This is a very good company as well. You might have not heard about them, but this is also a great company to start your career. Okay, so that's it. So soon after you watch this, please try applying to that. Next, we have an opening from Wipro to discuss, that is a graduate engineer trainee, and location is Noida. So either you can try with this request ID, or you can directly go with the link that I've mentioned in the description. Now you can see you bring an expertise required experience. You can see it in here, the eligibility criteria: experience 0 to 1 years, ready to sign a service agreement for 1 year, should be familiar with testing concept and software development lifecycle, excellent troubleshooting and communication skills, work life balance with 5-day work week. Okay, collaborative environment with best in class professionals, focus on colleague engagement and fun at work. So everything is very basic. You are getting hired for the graduate engineer. So yes, graduates are eligible with 0 to 1 years of experience can try it in here, and 1 year service agreement will be there, and this is how it works. And now coming to the qualification criteria: BCA, BSc IT, BSc CS, BE, BTech, and MCA graduates, everything related to computer science related. Okay, they are eligible in here. So expectation will be candidate should be ready to work on looking for analyst configuration, testing who can deliver clear analysis, test plans, and standard operating procedures for project work, complete system configuration and testing to ensure the system is operating per requirements, coordinate coach and development team members on technology and quality assurance fundamentals, then create a culture of continuous improvement. Okay, so this is it, and this is all about the eligibility criteria. So if you're very much good for this, apply that. And obviously, yes, these graduates will obviously have the knowledge in these many factors that they have mentioned, that is familiar with the testing concepts and SDLC. So you can try applying to that. Okay, and to apply for that, click on this apply button and continue with the application process. So you need to provide the mail ID, then verify them, and you can accept and go next. Yeah, this is application process. So like you need to upload your CV, profile picture, resume, that means, then create a login details and everything. And if you have already a profile, you can use the same details by making the relevant changes. You can re-upload the resume and make some customization for this particular opening. Okay, so that's it. And have you been employed with Wipro? Then education details, nationality, work experience, preferences, and everything you can provide within yourself. Okay, so this is about the application. And now coming to the CTC provided, like the estimated is 3.5 plus LPS for 0 years of experience. And in here they have mentioned 0 to 1 years of experience. So according to the experience that you're having, it may vary. Okay, so this is it. And I need to mention the batch criteria too. So especially 2020 and 21st, all the opportunities for the 0 years of experience, it's for you. And 2019 students also can try applying to that. Okay, so these are the jobs that I have for today. So I think everything is pretty much clear to you. Please make sure you apply to the earliest before the link getting expired. Okay, so that's all. If you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to online study for you.